What is the cough? Cough is the irritation and infection in the respiratory throat, especially neck and lungs. It's common disease in change of season. Cough is known as simple disease, but it can result to serious disease if not cured on time. Types of cough. There are 4 types of cough: wet, dry, paroxysmal, croup. Number 1. Wet cough. This kind of cough sounds wet because it brings up mucus. More commonly known as a productive cough, it can be acute, lasting less than 3 weeks, or chronic, lasting up to several months. Number 2. Dry cough. A dry cough feels like a tickle in the back of your throat. It can also lead to bouts of long, hacking coughing. It usually does not bring up mucus. Dry coughs can be caused by inflammation in your respiratory system. This kind of cough can linger for several weeks after the end of your cold or flu. Number 3. Paroxysmal cough. A paroxysmal cough is violent and uncontrolled coughing that is exhausting and painful. You may struggle to breathe and may even vomit. Pertussis or whooping cough is the most common cause of a paroxysmal cough. Number 4. Croup cough. Croup is a viral infection that causes irritation and swelling in the upper airway, making it difficult to breathe. A croup cough has a distinctive, barking sound and can cause a raspy voice and squeaky breathing. Croup usually affects children of 5 and younger. Croup is typically contagious for up to 3 days after symptoms begin or the fever breaks. Croup usually does not impact adults whose airways are larger than a child's. Home remedies for cough. No matter which type of cough you have, these home remedies will help to get relief from cough. Number 1. Gargles. As we know, the main cause of cough is the inflammation and irritation in the throat. As soon as you feel soreness in your throat, gargle with salt dissolved in warm water. The salt in the water can help drain excess fluid from inflamed areas in the throat, reducing the symptoms. The gargling also removes irritants in the throat and thins the mucus. Number 2. Throat lozenges. A study showed that patients who took zinc lozenges every 2 to 3 waking hours cut the duration of a cold by almost half. The irritation caused by constant coughing can also be overcome by using throat lozenges. They are also known to prevent the progression of a sore throat to a cough. Some lozenges are medicated and contain ingredients such as dextromethorphan, a cough suppressant, or benzocaine, an anesthetic. Others contain natural soothing ingredients such as honey, menthol, peppermint oil, or eucalyptus oil. In many homes, it is also quite common to make small children suck on the red-colored variety of rock candy, mishri in Hindi, to stop cough. Number 3. Turmeric in milk. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Heat a glass of milk and add half teaspoon of turmeric. Drink the warm milk, will soothe the sore throat and reduce the cough. Use this remedy for at least 3 to 4 days. Number 4. Turmeric gargle. A turmeric gargle also gives good results. To 1 cup of hot water, add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon table salt. Use this liquid as a throat gargle and you are sure to experience relief from cough. Number 5. Honey and ginger. Honey has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties as well as due to its viscous property honey make a thin lining on the irritated throat. While ginger works by promoting salivation and mucus secretion and will help relieve cough symptoms. Chop ginger into fine pieces, add into a vessel containing 1 cup of water. Keep boiling the liquid till the volume reduces to half the original quantity. Strain the liquid, add 1 teaspoon of honey and drink when warm to give a soothing effect against cough.